So basically, forecast for the next 10 days is in the 40s every day. And a few days there's even some rain. And it's super nice out, again. Just like the last time I made a video and I was standing in front of these. It's a gorgeous day out. It's blue sky. Monday, it's my day off. That's why I'm making a video. Just got the truck back from the shop, had the oil change and transmission fluid and filter change, so that was good. I want to uncover these and look in them and just check it out because I'm bored and it's super nice out and I don't want to sit in my house anymore. So I'm gonna set this up and uncover these. Alright, so the first one that I uncovered is the SP, and it's really covered up good, so it's kind of a pain, but I just want to look in. I guess that's all I wanted to do, really. Now I'll have to uncover the other one and cover this one back up. Alright, the XP was a lot easier to uncover, and I don't know really why, but it took me half the amount of time it did to uncover the SP, which is right there. That's a big spider. And again, I just want to check it out. It doesn't look too bad. They both smell like fuel, but they both have fuel in them, so I guess that's probably normal. But anyway, that's pretty much all I wanted to do. Just check them out. And now I'm going to cover them back up. Alright, so I just uncovered these and covered them back up. And I guess now I really don't know what I'm going to do. Like I said, I picked my truck up from the shop, and it's only like about 1 o'clock, I think. And so I would go wash it, but there's so much like snow melting right now, it just covers up the roads, and there's no point in washing my truck. But anyway, I hope you guys like this video of me uncovering the jet skis for a minute. And I'm getting excited to get them out for sure. I can't wait. It's gonna be awesome. So, well, anyway guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell if you haven't, and be sure to follow the YouTube Instagram page at ToddleyProductions on Instagram. Same exact name as the YouTube channel, ToddleyProductions. I will leave it on the screen like I always do, and leave a link in the description. And if you guys want to see anything about the jet skis, the truck, Cobalt, have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below, and I will see you guys in my next video, which hopefully the snow will be melted, but a little too early to tell right now. So anyway, fingers crossed for that. Peace out.